Good morning, Forex for beginner people. I just came on to thank Mr. Saeed for all of his hard work, his patience with me, because I know I pushed his nerve and pushed his limit. But I'm so happy that he stayed with me so he can help me to first learn support and resistance and understand it, the Fibonacci retracement moving averages, the trend lines and channels, and then the risk to reward and candlesticks. The Fibonacci was also hard, learning where the breaker structure is, but he really helped me. He still working with me, and I feel more sure getting out to trade now because of the help that he's given me. But the most thing that I thank him for was his patience. Anytime I went inbox to him, it was in a matter of minutes or hours, and he would come right back to respond to help me where I was stuck at. So that is the biggest thing I thank him for, because if he wouldn't have, or if I irritated him, it would have discouraged me and I wouldn't have kept with it. But he stuck it on out with me. So thanks, Saeed, and Forex for beginners. You'll enjoy this class and you'll make lots of money.